Let's see a simple question which is asking to check about the correctness of the equation. So equation is given as s equal to ut plus half at square. S is distance, u is velocity, t is for time, a is for acceleration. Dimensional formula for s is simply L, for time is T, for velocity is LT minus 1, for acceleration units are meter per second square, then it would be LT power minus 2. Now if we substitute these units in the above equation, that is S is represented as L, U is LT power minus 1 into T power 1 plus half, which is a constant. A is for acceleration, which is LT power minus 2, and adjacent to that T square is given. So upon simplification, you would get it as L plus 1 by 2 times of T power minus 2 and T power 2 will get cancelled. So the units are same along the equation. That is how the correctness of dimension can be checked for any given equation. Moving to next question. On the basis of dimensional analysis, show that the relationship is correct. V stands for velocity of sound. Velocity is given by L T power minus 1. E stands for elasticity of the medium. So elasticity is given by stress by strain. Strain is a dimensionless quantity. Stress is expressed as Newton per mm square or meter square, and this is mm per mm, and it is a dimensionless quantity. Newton is a unit of force. Force is mass into acceleration, so mass is given by m. Acceleration is LT power minus 2. This is the unit or dimensional formula for the force. Per mm square or meter square, it is given by L square in the denominator. And for strain, it is dimensionless quantity m0 L0 T power 0. So this, upon simplification, we would get it as m L by L square is L power minus 1 into T power minus 2. This would be the unit of elasticity of the medium. Density is given by mass by volume, which is mass is for m and volume is L power 3. So since it is in denominator, it will be raised with L power minus 3. Now we need to substitute these two dimensional formula in the above equation. That is under root over m L power minus 1 T power minus 2 divided by this is m L power minus 3. M and m will get cancelled. This will be root over. This is L power minus 1 plus 3 into T power minus 2. This would be L power 2 T power minus 2. And under root of this would be L power 1 T power minus 1. So this is matching with the unit or dimensional formula of the velocity. So the given equation is correct.